struggle is over, the boys are defeated. All Ireland surrounded with sadness and gloom. We are defeated and shamefully treated, and I, Robert Emmet, awaiting my doom. Hung, drawn and quartered, sure that was my sentence, but soon I will show them no coward am I. My crime is a love of the land I was born in. A hero I lived and a hero I'll die. Goodbye, old Ireland, my parents and sweetheart, companions in arms, to forget you must try. I am proud of the honor, 'twas only my duty. A hero I lived and a hero I'll die. Bold Robert Emmet, the darling of Erin, bold Robert Emmet will die with a smile. Farewell, companions, both loyal and daring. I lay down my life for